Ruling the way down, not breathe your hand. You only can rescue me. This is my brand.
Every so often we need a rebrand, and one of my favorite apps to use for content creation is Canva. If you have not signed up for Canva Pro yet, please do so. Here I'm showing you guys my brand kit. You can create your own brand kit in here with your logo, your brand colors, your brand fonts. You can even add a brand voice, photos, and different graphics to this section. And so all of your stuff will be in that one area. So when you're doing things like creating posts or reels or anything like that, you can pull from your branded content to make sure everything looks uniform. Here I'm taking a YouTube thumbnail template that was already designed for me. I'm resizing it so that it would fit on my Instagram posts as a cover photo. What I'm going to do now is basically make it my own. So you can edit the words that you want in here. You can edit the fonts. You can edit the different colors. So what I'm going to do here is just change the words up, position them in the place that I would like them to be, and then I'm going to put my own picture. As you can see, I'm moving down the overlay, so that just kind of creates like a moody vibe, and that's pretty much what I'm going for on my Instagram page now. So I'm going to select the photo that I desire to have on this cover photo. I'm going to size it so that it fits right into the box, and then what I'm going to do is reposition the photo so that it's set backwards. So now that overlay can be put right on top of that photo that I just put down. You don't have to use an overlay. Obviously, you're going to design this and create it to fit your brand and what you would like your page to look like. So now that you're satisfied with the placement of everything on your template, you're going to want to save your work. I'm going to make sure that this is set to either PNG or JPEG so that I can save it as a photo, not a video. And then I'm going to click Save Image. And it's going to save on Canva, but it'll also save in your gallery. And now we're going to pull up our Instagram, click on the reel that you want to update the cover photo for. You're going to go to Edit, click on Cover, and now you can pick the Canva template that you just created. As you can see, I kind of created like a pattern. So I have two cover photos that have writing on them. One cover photo that has that grayish like black overlay, and then another one that's like a filler cover photo. So to create that cover photo with just the overlay, I'm just going to go back into the same template that I already had. I'm going to remove the words and replace it with whatever picture I choose to, and then put that overlay back on top. And for my filler cover photos, I just clicked on Elements. So I got a whole brand new template. I clicked on Elements and I selected whatever photos that Canva had to offer. I didn't even have to create these on my own. You can literally type in anything that you want. For example, I might have typed in skincare. So now I'm getting photos that come up that look like this. And what I'll do is go in and resize it. I'll save it as a PNG or a JPEG, and then now I have another option to use for a cover photo on Instagram. There's so many fun things you can do with Canva, and if you guys want me to go into depth and have any questions, please let me know so I can do another detailed video.